Life of the Buddha Part 9. The Buddha visits his birthplace. The Buddha visited Kapilavatthu, his birthplace, as desired by his father, who urged him to do so. The minister Kaludai, who was playmate of the Buddha. As he went preaching the Dhamma on the way, it took 2 months for the Buddha to walk to Kapilavatthu. Did the elderly Sakyas give him due respect? No, they were proud and they put forward younger ones to salute him. How did the Buddha overcome their pride? By rising into the sky and showing the twin wonder, Yamaka Pratiharya. What is the twin wonder? By his mental powers, Buddha made water and fire issue from the pores of his body at the same time. Seeing the wonder, the king saluted him at once, saying that it was his third salutation. The other Sakyas also paid him due respect. What was the name of the Jataka the Buddha preached to his relatives? Vesantara Jataka. On the day after his arrival, with bowl in hand, he went from house to house, seeking alms in the streets of Kapilavatthu. Hearing that he was seeking alms, the king went up to him and asked him why he was disgracing him thus. The Buddha replied that it was the custom of the Buddhas. The king at first became a Sotapanna, then he became a Sakadagami. Hearing the Dharmapala Jataka, he became an Anagami. On his deathbed, he became an Arahant. Sakadagami means once returner. He who attains the second stage of sainthood is born in this world only once. Sakadagami means once returner. Anagami means never returner. He who attains this third stage of sainthood is no more reborn in this world. After death, he is born in the pure abodes, Suddhavasa, till he attains Arahatya. What do you mean by an Arahat? Arahat means a worthy one. He who attains this fourth stage of sainthood is no more reborn anywhere. After death, he attains Parinibbana. Princess Yasodhara thought, surely if there is any virtue in me, the noble Lord himself will come to see me. Then I will pay my respect. Out of compassion, the Buddha went to see her. She clasped his ankles and placing her head on his feet, respected him as she liked. King Suddhodana praised her and told the Buddha about her loyalty. She later entered the order and became an Arahant.